Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. The phone repaired in this video is this iPhone 7. The customers told us that the phone has not been used for a long time, and now I want to use it but find that it cannot be returned on. It can be seen that when we press the power button of the mobile phone doesn't respond. Even if the charger is connected to the mobile phone, then our preliminary judgment may be that the battery is out of power. Now let's take the phone apart and find out. Open the screen. Remove the mainboard cable fixing cover screw. Remove the cover, then remove the camera cable fixing cover. Remove the screen. We use a multimeter to measure the battery voltage. Here we can see that the battery voltage is only 0.8 volts. It seems that the loss is caused by the phone being left for too long. In this case, we only need to activate the battery to return to normal. We use an essential power supply to activate the battery to 1.5 amps. We use a multimeter to measure it again, and we can see that the battery voltage has reduced 3 volts, which proves that the battery can be used normally. Now, we assemble the phone, replace with new green glue. Fasten the screen cable to the battery cable. Install the camera cable cover. Cover the mainboard cable cover and tighten the screw. Install the screws. Screw on screw fixing screws. Now press the power button to see that the screen shows the prompt that needs to be charged. You can also see the charging prompt when the phone is plugged into charger. After the phone is turned on, we enter the setting to check the battery status. You can see that battery health is still 100%. The phone is now repaired.